discuss the concept of length of a tangent. That means the length is basically the distance of the external point from the point of contact. That means if we are given a circle with center point O and we have a point P outside the circle, and we know that from a point outside the circle maximum two tangents can be drawn. So we have drawn Px and Py as the two tangents which are meeting the circle at point A and B. So PA and PB will be considered as the lengths of the tangents. Now let us prove the theorem. That means the theorem states that the length of the two tangents from a point will be equal. That means if we draw two tangents from a point P, the length of the two tangents will be equal. That is PA will be equal to PB. So we are given a center point, a circle with center point O, PA and PB two tangents, and to prove PA is equal to PB. So for this we will make some construction. We will join OA, OB and OP. That means we will join point O with point P. So the proof will be, now in triangle AOP and triangle BOP. Now we are given two triangles. We have taken two triangles, triangle AOP and BOP. So in the two triangles, angle A is equal to angle B, each 90 degree, because we know that the tangent makes an angle of 90 degree with the radius, and further OA is equal to OB. Both are the radii of the same circle, and OP is equal to OP. OP is equal to OB, both common in both. Now angle A is equal to angle B, each 90 degree. OA is equal to OB and OP is common in both, so it is equal. So triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP by RHS criteria of congruence, because right angle, hypotenuse and one side. The side is OA and OB, right angle is angle A and angle B, and the hypotenuse is OP because OP is opposite to both angle A and angle B and it is common. So by RHS criteria the two triangles are congruent. Therefore from CPCT we can say that PA is equal to PB from CPCT. So the corresponding parts of the two triangles are equal. So PA is equal to PB. Hence we have proved that the two triangles, the two tangents are equal. That means from an external point, if we draw two tangents to a circle, they will be of equal length. Further, we have a further extension to this theorem. That means we have to prove that OP is the bisector of angle O and angle P. That means if we have a quadrilateral OAPB, then OP is the bisector of angle AOB and angle APB. That means we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4, because we have to prove that OP is the bisector of angle AOB and APB. So from this criteria we have proved that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. So from CPCT we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore OP is bisector of angle AOB and angle APB. So we can say this is the further extension to this theorem. This relation is generally in some questions this relation is also used, that OP is the bisector of angle O and angle P. So we have proved both the concepts. We have proved the theorem that the lengths of the tangents are equal. That means PA is equal to PB. Further OP, that is the line joining the center with the external point P, will bisect angle AOB and APB. Now let us apply the concept that length of the tangents from a point to a circle is equal. So for this we are given a question that ABCD is a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle, and we are supposed to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. That means ABCD is a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle, and we have to prove that the sum of opposite sides, the length of AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now to prove this, we will mark the point of contact with this circle, that is, let us take the point as P, Q, R and S. Now P, Q, R, S are the points which are in contact with this circle. That for we can say that AP is the tangent to the circle, AS is also the tangent. That means the point A, B, C and D are the points outside the circle, and P, Q, R, S are the point of contact of the tangents from these points. So as we know that A is a point outside the circle, and it is touching this, and the tangents are touching this circle at point S and point P. So we can say that AP is equal to AS, because A is from point A we have two tangents AP and AS, and we know that the length of the tangents will be equal, so AP will be equal to AS. Similarly from point B we have two tangents BP and BQ, so we can say that BP is equal to BQ, again tangents from point B. Similarly we can say that from point C we have two tangents CR is equal to CQ. That means from point C we have two tangents CR and CQ, and the length of the two tangents will be equal, so CR will be equal to CQ. Similarly DR is equal to DS. Again the 2 points are as the two are the tangents from the point D, that is DR is equal to DS. So adding all these we will get AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. That means AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. From this side we have AS, BQ, CQ and DS. So now we will change the position, so it will be AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. It is not CR, it is CQ. And it will be AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Now we have changed the position from DS to this position, so AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. Now AP plus BP will be equal to AB, because AP plus PB is equal to AB. Similarly CR plus DR is equal to CD, because P is the point on AB and R is the point on CD. So AP plus BP is equal to AB and CR plus DR is equal to CD. Similarly from this side AS plus DS will be equal to AD and BQ plus CQ will be equal to BC, because S is the point on AD and Q is the point on BC. So we can say that we have proved that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So this is how we can apply the concept to prove that the length of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle are equal. That means the sum of the lengths of the opposite sides. That means AB plus CD. These are the opposite sides of a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle, and we have proved that AB plus CD will be equal to AD plus BC. For this we have taken the concept that from point A we have drawn two tangents, the point P and we have P and S points on the circle. So we can say that AP and AS are the tangents to the circle from point A, and similarly they are equal. Similarly from B again we have two tangents BP and BQ, so their lengths will be equal. Similarly from C, CR and CQ will be equal, and from D, DR and DS will be equal. Then we have added the all four equations and we have found that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So this is how we can apply the concept that the length of the tangent from a point outside the circle to the circle is equal.